Hello everyone, after finishing of the term viscosity, measurement of viscosity and kinematic viscosity, let's move towards the next term, that is viscosity index. In short, we can say that viscosity index measure of fluids change of viscosity with temperature. As we know, the viscous resistance is due to intermolecular force of attraction. So as temperature increases, the intermolecular force of attraction decreases, hence decrease in viscosity. Thus we can say that viscosity of lubricating oil decreases with increasing temperature. So the change of viscosity due to change in temperature is different for different oils. It means that if two oil has same viscosity at particular temperature but it has different viscosity at another temperature. Thus, the rate of change of viscosity with respect to temperature indicates by the number viscosity index. But to find the viscosity of lubricating oil, the temperature viscosity relationship must be considered with two standard oils. Let us say, as you can see in this graph, we need to find the viscosity of oil U. So we are going to consider the viscosity, that is viscosity and temperature relationship of oil H and L, which is a standard one, and we know the viscosity index for those oil. So here is the equation to find out the viscosity index. So viscosity index is equal to L minus of U divided by L minus of H into 100, where U is the viscosity at 40 degree oil whose viscosity index is to be calculated. Then L is the viscosity at 40 degree oil with viscosity index 0 having same viscosity at 100 degree as the test of oil whose viscosity index to be calculated. Similarly, H is the viscosity at 40 degree oil with viscosity index 100 having same viscosity at 100 degree as the test oil whose viscosity index to be calculated. In this system, we use two group of mineral oils for comparison, and they are Pennsylvania, whose viscosity index is equal to 100, least change of viscosity with respect to temperature, and Gulf oil, whose viscosity index is equal to 0, means maximum change of viscosity with respect to temperature. So if any oil has viscosity index 80, so it indicates oil with this value thins out less rapidly than oil with viscosity 40. I hope you get the concept with this example. Viscosity index is rate of change of viscosity with respect to temperature. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you.